ladies and gentlemen.
Like, come on, one more. Yes!
25 on 20, guys!
What's going on today, guys? Check it out.
Multiplier. Look at that 2000X.
Hi, my brother. This game uses money. And this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely. And remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Thousands and more to you. 1030 players total in this round. Wow. And best of luck to you in the next round. So lucky to you, GZ. I says that all the lucky charm are you by your own selves. That's the question. Start lucky. 3x on 15 Monster Mash, 3x on 5 Firewall, 5x on 6 Hotspot. Big win, Sophie. Yes, Sophie. Wait a second. Storm Chaser. Storm Chaser works to you again. That's one. Lightning Storm. Woo! Let's go to the roof, baby. Welcome. How you feel yourself on top of the world? Look at this billboard that holds your multipliers. Golden global multis are 2x, 3x, and 5x. The rest are regular. 400, top. At the moment, right? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, choose one strike that looks at you. Let's find out the highest multiplier on all among these three lightning strikes. Okay, decision time ends. The lightning strike shows 20x and 15x. Payout for this lightning strike 35x. Lightning strike gives you global multi 3x. All the billboard multiplies 3 times 1.2kx. Now the biggest result in this lightning strike 30x, 60x, and 150x. 3 multipliers. Oh yeah, that gives you 240x. Thank you for this multiplying. Lightning strike 3, 20x and 15x. Then got the 35x on your side. Yay! Both 35x on 1 and 3, and 2 is 240x with global multi. Bye-bye. Whoa, Robo, that was amazing. We're talking.
Place them bets. Get ready for the spin. I'm gonna hit leg day tomorrow, guys. I promise. I also did go to the gym yesterday. But it wasn't such a good workout because my head kind of hurt. So I didn't feel that great. 2x on battery charger and 4x as well. Good luck. I think you're the worst dealer for today. You know what, Sona? Do you know what I think? Sona, do you know what I think? I think you're maybe right. That's gonna be a lightning storm. Let's go. Woo! Grab your umbrellas! What's up? We got a lightning storm! Hey, yo, people. Let's bat. Right, everybody, choose which lightning strike you're gonna go for. Number 1, number 2, or 3. And once the choice is made, let's lock in those decisions and let's take this baby for a spin. Ooh, global multi. That's gonna be a 3x, baby. Ooh, thank you. All right, let's see what it is. That's gonna be a 375x. Okay. That's a juicer right there. All right, how about number 2? All right, that's gonna be a 40x for the second one, guys. Now moving on to the last one. have 40 as well for the third lightning strike. Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations to the winners. Thank you for the game. See you later. Woo, baby, 375 there. What's up? We got 1,763 winners. How many gonna be some? Nice. Betting time's open. Ain't no way, boy. Ain't no way. We got that. 300 in the bag. Hope as many of you guys got it as possible. Oh, by the way, I'm sorry, I missed a comment. Somebody was asking something about English. I didn't get to read the comments.
And 20. Sorry, bottom right. Did you pick something good? Thunderstorm? Yes. Okay, we have a wheel multiplier everywhere. Are we going for that? Battery charger? Yes, we are, baby. Thunder Strike battery charger. Sorry, 75 is the highest battery. Congratulations to everybody who made some money. Yeah. Betting time, Multiplier, check statistic, what viewers, X Chaser, Storm Chaser, and let's continue. Yeah? Let's just continue, guys. Do you believe in love after life? Yeah, nice. I know, broski. Very nice. Now it's time to bet on why so. No, it's no. Why would you? Wait, what? Really? I think it's gonna be a lightning storm. Oopsie, I was right. Hey, yo, got 'em, baby. Lightning storm. Lightning storm. Let's go to the roof, baby. Do you feel the heat, guys? Look on this beautiful view. And now for you, time to pick one of the strikes, guys. How are we gonna happen? If you're not gonna pick something. This is big, actually. I'm on the top of evolution right now, guys. Kinda cold outside, but alright. For you guys, I will do everything. Let's go global. 5x sound. Okay, 2x, still nice. Now Sparks flies. The first strike will be flat. 300x. Let's go. If you pick, guys, first strike, one strike. Legends one. Second strike. 40. Nice. Third. 45. Nice. No, guys, what can I say? First strike, absolutely legendary. 300x, and followed by 1455. I am here again for you. Greetings. Beautiful, man, it is. Your way to view.
760 winners in total. Enjoy, and there we go. Hello, Kata. Hi, Chiquita. Hi, PlayK. I already said hi to you. How are you, man? How's your day so far? All good? By the way, do you change your nicknames often? Just curious. What? Is it really your birthday? Happy birthday. Wow. That's amazing. Happy birthday, love. 2x on 6 on 9, lightning storm on that number 13. Come on. Perfection. On number 13, we got that lightning storm. Come lightning storm bonus round. The view is beautiful. Not only the city view, also those multipliers. On the top, I see 400X. We got those global multipliers. We get everything. And if we use last seconds to use the Syrian time. The Syrian time closed, first lightning strike. Oh, we got that global multi. Which one though? No way, 5X. Look at that 2000X on the top. Good luck. Beautiful, simply beautiful. 500X for the first lightning strike. That's gonna be 35X for the second one. Last but not the least, third lightning strike. Good luck. And that's also going to be 35X for the third lightning strike. So 500, 35, and 35X. Nicely done. Hi, Robot. Thank you so much. Well, that was one wild round. 800 winners. Please see 2000. Make sure to top.
1-to-1 payouts. 2096 winners. And better open again for the next round. Because you like Morocco more than those countries like Egypt, Turkey, etc. Yeah, like for the same culture you mean, and for the beach vacation. Best closing. Good luck. For these, or just in general. Best closed. What is the sea? No. Is there like a sea, or it's already the ocean for Morocco? 4X, 3X, 7X on 7, ladies and gentlemen. Oh yes. 4X number 3, that is the lightning storm. Woo. Ladies and gentlemen, let's go. So we got 4X, so we'll multiply. Let's do it. Original multiplier from 10 to 400 with a 4X 40 up to 1,600, ladies and gentlemen. And it's in time for you right now. Which multipliers? Which lightning strikes? Alright, last seconds remaining. Majority for the second strike. Let's go. Oh, it's time for the strike number 1. Every striking also get an additional multiplier. Okay, strike number 1 is 140. Nice. All right, strike number 2, guys. 120. Strike number 3. Yes. 140, 120, and 500. Lovely. 633 winners. Congratulations. Highest win for phrase. 500X there. Nicely done. Okay.
I love it. Such a quick and nice bonus game. 50X 53, 827 winners of round. Easy. Hit the max. Hit the gritty. New round, guys. So let's continue with the new round. Hi, everybody, both newcomers. Once again, a lot of multipliers all over the place. We got 7X on number 7, 3X 11. Let's see what happens. 4 would be nice. What do you think? Is it? It is number 4. weird, but it's sometimes good weird, you know? Look at us, look at us. Getting so many bonus games, good games. Let's see what happens on this good langsam game. Ladies and gentlemen, 3 choices. Gotta make one. Alright, off we go with the first strike. Can we get a global multi? What's going on today, guys? Check it out. Oh my goodness, we got 5x bigger everything. Oh, this has to be good. Come on. 200x on the first pick. 200x for the first pick. You pick nice. Let's see, what about the nice one? Strike it! It's alright, 35 on the second. Now the question, can we hit the top, very, very top of the building? Give us that ball. Come on. Give us that 800 now. Alright, it's happening, ladies and gentlemen. Last strike. Okay, and there you go. 300 on the third one. Ooh, that's nice. That's nice. First pick 200, third 300, second with a 35. Thank you for playing, guys. I gotta run. Well, we're back. What did you pick? How did you like it? You guys. Hey, yeah.
Back to the wheel. 600, 7 winners in total cleared. You 107, and you are one of those who got 100x multi. Very impressive. Good job. Good job. That was sweet. Game history is looking more and more colorful. Is there something we haven't seen past 10 rounds? I think we got everything. So we had a lightning storm, we had battery charger, fireball, hotspot, and monster mash. We got everything. And 4 leaves as well. 4x on number 6. There we go. Even number 6. With that 4x wheel multiply monster mash.
It's the Monster Mash.
Oh, it's the Monster Mash indeed. Awesome. Dear players, welcome back to Monster Mash bonus round. This time, before we start, we apply that 4x multiplier. Ready? There we go. Let's make him strong. 32 for the legs, 4 for the torso. No way. 200x for the head. This one is a smart cookie. 236x in total. That
La la. Guys, my goodness, Monster Mash.
It's the
Let's
Monster
go! Ladies and gentlemen, welcome! Are we ready? 25x, let's work its magic, ladies and gentlemen. Woohoo! Let's go. 125.50. Let's go 150. 225. 225, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations. 1,011 winners, highest winners for Kurga, 11,000.
It's gonna be 7x on fireball, 7x on battery charger, 5x hotspot. Good luck. This man has a bad curse? Really? It's a battery charger. 7x. 7x wheel multiplier. Okay, I don't want to hype it up too early. Let's see how this looks. What do we got? Smallest multi is 14. The biggest one's going to be 280. Let's get it. Let's get it, baby. Let's get it, boy. Okay, 140. It would have been a nice start to get 140 NGL. Okay, avoid that 14, a good 105, sadly miss it. Oh, a little bit stressful. Okay, come on, 280, 280, 280, 280. Let's go, let's go, let's go, baby. Let's go! Woo! We got it, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. 280. Aha! 1.6 thousand. Yeah, buddy. Hey, 18,000 for Mr. Love. Corman with a 14,000. We got Mr. Phrase with a 12,000. I said, who said that? Who said that? This guy's what? Who's that boy right there? It was ZYRIM. Oh.
But I never had a 1000X here, like never, which is sad. I really want to get like 2000X, 1500X on Lightning Storm. I never had that one. That's a leave, guys. 1-to-1 pad. Place your bets, guys. Leaves, odds, evens, X chasers, extreme chasers, 150, 150 jackets, couple like that. What was MM with 7X? 75, I think. 70 something. I think. I have a fish memory, so I think it's no problem. Sometimes I have a fish memory, kind of a memory, you know. 75, horrible, says super weed. What a nickname. Patience Party. Yo, finally did the game show based in Daddy's and his basement. Hey, exactly. What's up, James? Good to see you. Come on. 3X Fireball. There we go. 3X number 6. Mo, high five, bro. High five, brother. All right, James, give me a second here. I gotta do some stupid stuff in here as always. I did the elbow bomb. So everything gotta be multiplied by 3X over there, guys. So max multiply 1,500. Come on. This is my chance. Come on. Give me red. Yes. Please stay. Stay there. 300X. Woo! Yeah, baby. Show me the money. Show me the money. Voila. There's your multiplier. 300X. Take it. Haters can leave the table. So let's go, guys. And I thank you, GH. Welcome. 430.
1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 318 based on strong. Nico first place, hands more to you. Day, Levi, John, Jivan, congratulations. Jibo, you sent me 3 stars? Really? Are you an astronaut? Which stars are there? Sirius, Sun, and Sophia the horse. Woo! You know that Sun is a star. That's a question. Start enjoy. That's not a planet. 2X and 5 battery charger, 2X and 10. Fireball! I found a basketball, which is a favorite basketball team. Ladies and gentlemen, leave 1819. Hello, hi, Lucy Road, 307 place Stones from Nico first placement for Hans. My name is Mayo. Mayo? Like mayonnaise? Or where's your friend ketchup? Mustard? Cuisine? No? 40 catch 4 times in a row. That's the close just started. Invisible scooter. 5X and 12. Master Mash. 1. Oh my, they're gonna be lightning storm. Are you fan dancing in the rain? 17 fireball. Whoa, time for the basketball. Really reminds me of basketball. There's a fireball, basket. No, letting perform. 500 Max Multiplier. Yo, I'm gonna be your cheerleader. Go for the highest. 2X, stay there. That's gonna multiply the whole grid. Oh my! Now, gonna tell you that all the landing platform multiplies twice. Whoa! Max multi 1KX. Thank you. 1K, stay there. No. This is the payout for Hot-X. Look. That's true. I hope you're not scared of my loud, weird voice. Meow. Kitty cat. Congratulations, top 5. 18,000 wins into you. Lucy 4,000 more. Arthur 2,000 more. 663 players. What a total
40-40. Last 3 picks in the lightning storm. Alright, anyway, new rounds here, guys. Good luck to you. Same thing. Potato, tomato. Same thing, basically. Alright, here we go, guys. No. Hey, yo, we've been playing for how long already? Finally, for the first time. Love this game. Come on. Everybody's favorite bonus game. Well, hello, welcome back to Fireball for the first time. Max Multi 200 this round. Guys, is that what I think it is? Is that what I think it is? Let's go. I mean, to be fair, like, what was 200? 200 ain't enough, man. Nah, we got something bigger and better now. 400X max multiplier. Good luck. Whoa. Attacking me. You know what would be crazy? To get another multi, right? Let's go. Alright, well, that's a first. That is the first time I see 2x back-to-back in the Fireball. Not bad. Let's go. Well, guess what? That's an 800x now. Max multiplier. Let's get it, guys. Everything's ready. Come on, one more double. I mean, we got something right for sure. Ladies and gentlemen, I would love to show you. It's 400, baby. Let's go. Woo! There we go. Nice Fireball rounds. 400x retreat. 2 double X's happened as well. 2009 winners. Nice. 1009 people got a retreat. Dolphin looking good. Crazy amount of winnings. Thousands and thousands. Hi everybody, welcome newcomers. Welcome to the game. 19 segments of leaps. We got 20 bonus game segments. You can play with even, odd numbers, X chaser, stone chaser, whatever number you want to go for.
Chaser 2, we got 7X on hotspot, 25X hotspot, 5X fireball. Could we potentially get some of that action? Just not in between. Oh! There we go, ladies and gentlemen. That's segment 11. That's a hotspot. That's a 7X wheel multiplier. What is happening? Back to back. Let's go. Let's add the wheel multi, guys. 700X. Let's go. Decision time. All yours. Oh my days. All right. Well, once again, you gotta choose a spot. Once again, you can leave it to auto pick. Oh boy. You ready for this one? Final countdown. And there we go. Time's up. Decision time's over. Let's go with the reveal. Lowest is 21. 35s, 49s, 70s already. You've got 105s, 140s, 280s. Oh my days. 350s and boom, 700X right next to me. All right, double area. Where are you going? Let's spice things up. Yeah? There we go. Okay, guys, extra 210s, 140s, 98s, 70s, and 42. Well done, everybody. Okay, congratulations, everybody. 1,199 winners. Fish, well done on top and €2,500. Excellent job, guys. Thank you for playing. New betting time.
Out of here. So, okay, we actually got 20. Not bad. 20,000 money, 20 retreat here on that battery charger. And it is 1,140 minutes. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the game, to the wheel. Hey, BGBB. Who is James? Why he called himself? This guy. Hey, listen, at least you have fun. At least being silly around. That's what's up. Wait, BGBB, from what country do you come from, though? Number 20. That is perfect way to end the session. Let's go. Well, check it out. It's gonna be better. Can I climb off on it? Anyway, 500x max multi. multiplier. Guys, make a pick, make a choice, or it's gonna be automatic if you don't. Alright, imagine this is the round where that 3x3 with 2x actually lands on the piece with 3. That'd be crazy. Alright, 200, 250, 500 out there as well. Multiply. Alright, so it's gonna land a little bit on top of bottom. 100, 150. A little bit bigger and better. Thank you, playing guys. Enjoy the victories. Tell me who got to 500. 1,300 people winning this game. Did you get 500x? Well, BGBB told you, that's true. Let's go in your game. I'm asking the same question. Who got 500? Who was you? Let's go in your game.
So multiplier was 30x. Yeah. Did you know you got 30 minutes? 30 minutes. 7x on Monster Mash, 5x on a hotspot. Could we make it to that hotspot? Could we slow down here? Slow down. Woo! Very good, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go. Segment number 10 again. It's a hotspot. That's a 5x wheel multi. Let's go. Jazz times. Welcome back to the hotspot. 100x for now. Let's add a 5x. Guys, max multi 500x. Let's go. There you go. Decision time. All yours. Let's go. So choose a spot. You can leave it to auto pick. These spots are not related to previously shown multis in any type of way. So, all right. Time's up. There we go. Decision time's over. Reveal yourself. Lowest is 50. You got 25s, 35s, 50x's already. All right, 75s, 100x's, 200s, 250s, and boom, 500x right there. All right, let's spice things up with the double area. Go on then. Where are you landing? Woo! Teaser. Very nice, guys. Extra 400s, extra 200s, 100s, and 150. Beautiful. Congratulations, everybody. Well done. 1,160 winners. DJ Top win 11.1 thousand euros. Great job. Thank you for playing New Betting Time. Can we get that hotspot? Can we actually? Come on, one more. Yes! Ladies and gentlemen, segment 18. That's a hotspot. That's a 10x wheel multiplier. There we go again. Oh my days. Welcome back. 100x for now. Two of them. 1000x, guys. Two of them. 2000x's on that board. Let's go. Decision time once again. All yours. You can leave it to auto pick. I don't know. Final seconds left. What is happening? All right, guys. Time's up. Let's go. Lowest is 30x. 50s, 70s, 100x's already, 150s, 200s, 400s, 500s, and boom, 1000x, one there, one down below. 2x, double area. What are we doubling up here? Go on. Extra 2000x's, extra 1000x's, extra 800s. What? Congratulations! DJ Top win 59,000 euros. Oh my days!
950 winners. Alright, welcome everybody. So we got 19 leaves on the wheel, 20 bonus game segments you can play with. Whatever number you want to, you can play with even odd numbers, extras, a storm chaser as well. How to play the Pete Bond right there, so it's the left side. Good luck. Alright, some statistics. 700x max win hotspot today. What else? Alright, Monster Mash 225 today. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. 13 again. I'm telling you, my favorite number. I think it's gonna be your favorite number as well, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, We're coming in hot. We're coming in hot. Woo! Ladies and gentlemen, check it out, check it out, check it out. 2000 at the very top. Are you serious? Are you serious? 200. Bye-bye. Bro, what's going on? Okay, it's the apocalypse. It is going to be the apocalypse if we ain't gonna go into the top. Bro, we can get a 2x as well. Woo! So far, so good. We are going without anything. Ladies and gentlemen, 600 coming up. Nope. Come on. Nope. Okay, hold on. Okay, listen, we're not that far away anymore. Nope. Give us a 2x. Come on. Ah. Ladies and gentlemen, pray and hope and everything. Let's go! Woo! That's a start. That is a start. Ladies and gentlemen, 2000X on the battery charger. What? Oh my goodness. 941 winners of the game. Oh. Come on. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, that's so good.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.